Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I make video on coronavirus and what is situation in Pakistan. I will discuss and also make video of the surrounding in golf club. It's a so nice, beautiful view. I like it. You see in this video you see one operating room. This is for watering because this supply the water in this area. So you see here and also in background so big and tall trees, so nice view because they maintain this area, and also here trees are so beautiful and so high. So let us start. More area we make video. These trees are so beautiful and high, you see, and they are maintained well. All this area is covered by fruit trees, and also so many trees are here. In my background there is a hostel of TM hostel, and also there are so many big trees. So let us go. This bridge on the Kida river, that well maintained golf ground. See, beauty of this ground is attracted me every time I come here. So it's so nice. Whenever I entered this ground, I feel so happy because it's attract my heart. It makes me so happy because this ground is so nice, beautifully maintained, well maintained. Another beauty of this ground is like a view of this ground. There are fruit trees inside, so big high trees are inside, and also in the background there are hills view. There are so high hills, you can see in the background, so high hills you can see inside in the surrounding is covered by the hills. Who maintain this ground, and the workers and staff, and also the main like vice chancellor and other who are maintained this ground so much. Here is a bird, so nice, you see. I cannot care inside my house if I can care. This bird can grow in a few days, and also it can be eaten. You know, in Pakistan so many these birds. We say titar in Pakistan, and this is so beautiful. See, it's running. When you come here in this ground, you feel like in heaven. So beauty, so greenery, and also fruit trees. Also there is water, lake of water, and so nice. It's like you can say it's like a heaven on earth. And atmosphere are other than UUM, there is departments, hostels, so congested area, but this is so open and also so beautiful, well maintained. When you come here, you feel like in heaven. So it's that's why I come here, and I feel so comfort, so happy in my heart when I visit this area. Here weather is so pleasant, air is so nice, so food and full of oxygen. You get more and more energy. See, there is a tractor maintained always in this ground. Maintenance people maintain, worker are working. That is a good point because they always maintain this ground. Otherwise, if they don't do like that, maybe this ground cannot be maintained so well. This other beauty is of this ground is troughs, crest and troughs, like some areas high and down. Also water can be drained. They make a underground some maintenance, like underground some drainage system from the top. So they make like sewerage system down inside. This beautiful tractor cut the grass. It's like cutting grass machinery. I really like this ground because it's well maintained.